Hey, good morning, Ishwin. I am Sushil Kumar, Assistant Teacher of Ramkrish Vivekanand Vidya Mandir, and I am your new teacher of Mathematics subject. Today, I represent first part of exercise 16, that is triangle. Okay, this is the first part of this exercise, triangle. So, first of all, now definition of triangle. So what is triangle? Triangle, a closed figure having three sides. A closed figure having three sides and three angles. A closed figure having three sides and three angles. This is the simple definition. And a closed figure having three sides and three angles is known as triangle. Is known as triangle. Okay, this in this figure A, B, C, side AB, side BC, and side AC. Okay, look at it. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle in which ABC is a triangle in which there are three sides. In triangle ABC there are three sides, namely AB, BC, and CA. AB, BC, and CA. There are three sides of a triangle. Which triangle? ABC. Okay, and in triangle ABC there are three angles. In triangle ABC there are three angles, namely angle A, angle A, angle A, angle B, and angle C. Okay. Okay. So AB, BC, and CA is three sides of a triangle. Angle A, angle B, and angle C. There are three angles of a triangle. And now AB. Look at AB. AB is the opposite side. AB is the opposite side of angle C. This angle the opposite side कौन है? AB. Okay. Now BC. BC is opposite side of angle A. BC is opposite side of angle A, and AC. AC. Ready? AC. AC is opposite side of angle B. AC is the opposite side of angle B. This is the basic concept of triangle. This is the basic concept of a triangle. So actually, remember, in triangle there are three vertices. In triangle there are three vertices. In triangle there are three vertices, namely A, B, and C. एक ट्रायंगल में तीन वर्टिसेस होती हैं. अगर जो भी उस ट्रायंगल का नाम हो, ये ट्रायंगल ABC है, तो इसकी वर्टिसेस हो जाएंगी A, B, C. ओके, क्लियर? यस और नो? ओके, ऑल्सो क्लियर? ओके, नाउ अगेन नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ ट्रायंगल. Types of triangle. Okay, now types of triangle. Types of triangle. Types of triangle. Okay, there are three types of triangle. First is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Second isosceles triangle. And third is triangle. Okay, there are three types of triangle. First is equilateral triangle, second is isosceles triangle, and third is scalene triangle. Now, most important, which triangle is known as equilateral triangle? This is the most important. Which triangle is known as equilateral triangle? Which triangle is known as isosceles triangle? And which triangle is known as scalene triangle? So now, explain. First of all, equilateral triangle. Which triangle is known as equilateral triangle? So explain definition of equilateral triangle. A triangle having all sides equal is called an equilateral triangle. Definition. A triangle having all sides equal is called an equilateral triangle. That means एक ऐसा ट्रायंगल जिसकी तीनों साइड आपस में क्या हो, इक्वल हो. देखो एक ट्रायंगल हम कहते हैं ट्रायंगल A B C, in which in triangle A B C, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. That means triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Definition: a triangle having all sides equal is called an equilateral triangle. एक ऐसा ट्रायंगल जिसकी तीनों साइड आपस में क्या हो, इक्वल हो. हम एग्जांपल के तौर पे ये फिगर लिया ट्रायंगल ABC. इन ट्रायंगल ABC AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. That means हम क्या कह सकते हैं कि ट्रायंगल ABC is an equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay. So next is isosceles triangle. Now is second, isosceles triangle. Okay, so first of all, definition. Which triangle is known as isosceles triangle? That means a triangle having two sides. Triangle having two sides equal. A triangle having two sides equal is called an isosceles triangle. Example: look at the figure. This is the figure of a triangle, namely PQR. In this figure, PQ is equal to PR. Okay. Now, in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to PR, and PQ not equal QR. PR not equal QR. That means in triangle PQR, PQ is equal PR. That means क्या साबित हो रहा है कि ये जो दो साइड्स हैं ये आपस में इक्वल हैं, बट ये दोनों साइड किसी साइड के इक्वल नहीं है. That means we can say that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, we can say that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Now, third, a scalar triangle. Scalar triangle. Third, a scalar triangle. A scalar triangle. A scalar scalar triangle. A scalar triangle. First one definition. Which triangle is known as a scalar triangle? So, student, a triangle having three sides. A triangle having three sides of different lengths is called a scalar triangle. Look at example. TUV. Okay, in triangle TUV, TU not equal to UV not equal to BD. मतलब इसमें कोई भी साइड आपस में क्या है, इक्वल नहीं है. Therefore, we can say that triangle TUV is an scalar triangle. Thank you very much. अब इसकी आगे की बातें हम अगली वीडियो में करेंगे. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट आपको अभी आपने दो चीज पढ़ा, क्योंकि धीरे धीरे पढ़ाने से वीडियो काफी लंबी हो जाती है. हमने सब चीज आपको पढ़ा दिया, जिसमें डिफिनेशन ऑफ ट्रायंगल, types of triangle, sides of triangle and how many angles in a triangle. अब आप इसको वीडियो को जरूरत पड़े तो पीछे भी आके आप देख सकते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू. बाकी की अब हम नेक्स्ट क्लासेस में चर्चा करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू.